Hey everyone, welcome back to Team Coyle Real Estate Hub, your go-to spot for all things real estate. And today we're going to dive into something a lot of homeowners wonder about, and that is which home projects are actually worth doing from a cost-benefit analysis, return on investment perspective. So let's jump right into it. So maybe you're one of those homeowners who've already decided to sell, or you just want to be a good citizen and plan ahead. I like that. Always have a good plan. Regardless of your situation, keeping your home in good shape and up to date is always a smart move. If you can save money in the long run, avoid stress, unnecessary stress. I hate surprises. And if you choose the right updates, it may even boost your home's resale value. But that said, not all upgrades are created equal. Take something like replacing an old roof. Sure, it might be necessary, but probably not going to wow buyers the same way a few strategic cosmetic updates would. So according to a study by NAR, the National Association of Realtors, here are some of the top home projects that typically deliver the best return on investment. Start with the first one, a new front door. Simple, but a powerful upgrade. Adds instant curb appeal, gives buyer a great first impression of your home. Very important. Closet renovation. Who doesn't like well-organized storage space? Even basic improvements can make closets feel more functional and luxurious. New windows. Helps modernize their home's look, improves energy efficiency, and let buyers know they don't need to replace those windows anytime soon. Kitchen refresh. You don't need to fully remodel your kitchen. If you want to, go ahead. But just updating the countertops, cabinet fronts, or hardware can make a huge difference. And last, but certainly not least, bathroom updates. New mirrors, lighting, or new fixtures can completely refresh a bathroom space without doing a major renovation. I recently renovated my bathrooms. I did most of the work myself for the most part. Looks like $1 million. I expect to get that back. So I get to enjoy it now. I'm happy, and I think it really enhances the value of my home. And that's it, folks. So my advice to you is start small now, but most importantly, enjoy the updates while you're still living there. You know, there's nothing more frustrating than putting a new kitchen in and then selling your house and not having the benefit to enjoy it. If you know that you want to refresh the kitchen, do it now, enjoy it while you have it, and then when you sell the house, you'll get the benefit of it. Saves a lot of stress, money, and you get to enjoy it. And don't leave everything to the last minute. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate you joining us here at Team Coyle Real Estate Hub. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like and subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.